Certain seeds have recently gained recognition as superfoods. Chia and flax seeds are two popular examples. Both are extremely nutrient-dense and have been linked to a variety of health benefits, including a stronger heart, reduced blood sugar levels, and cancer protection. However, many individuals are unsure which of the two seeds is actually the healthiest. This video examines the science-based data supporting each to address this question. So what's the difference between chia seeds and flax seeds? Chia seeds are small, oval-shaped seeds derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, also known as the chia plant. They are also known as salba seeds and are often purchased whole. They come in both black and white variants. Chia seeds are native to Mexico and Guatemala, and they were most likely a staple in ancient Aztec and Mayan diets. In comparison, flax seeds are flatter and slightly larger than chia seeds. Linseeds, also known as flax seeds, are typically brown or golden in color, can be purchased whole or powdered, and are said to have originated in the Middle East. Chia seeds are relatively bland, although flax seeds have a little nuttier flavor. However, both types of seeds can be easily included into a number of recipes. Both chia and flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is a form of plant-based omega-3 fat. ALA is deemed necessary since it is a form of fat that the body cannot generate. This implies you only obtain it from your diet. Interestingly, multiple studies have found that ALA lowers the risk of heart disease. Several studies have also investigated the effects of flax or chia seeds on blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are two factors for cardiovascular disease. Eating roughly 1 ounce or 35 grams of chia seeds or chia flour per day will drop blood pressure by 3-6 mmHg in diabetics and up to 11 mmHg in people with high blood pressure. Similarly, a 2013 study discovered that eating roughly 1 ounce, about 30 grams of flax seeds per day, can lower blood pressure by 7 to 10 mmHg in the general population and by up to 15 mmHg in people with high blood pressure. Other previous research found that flaxseed-enriched diets decrease LDL or bad cholesterol by up to 18% and triglyceride levels by up to 11%. Only a few research have looked at the effects of chia seeds on blood cholesterol levels, and the majority have found no cholesterol-lowering advantages. However, chia seeds have slightly less ALA than flax seeds, so they may have equal heart protective properties. More studies may simply be required to confirm this effect. It is worth noting that flax and chia seeds, due to their high omega-3 concentration, may help to minimize blood clotting and thin blood. People who take blood thinners should consult a doctor before incorporating substantial amounts of these seeds into their diets. Both flax and chia seeds have high levels of fiber, which has been associated to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Fiber helps prevent type 2 diabetes by reducing carbohydrate digestion and sugar absorption into the bloodstream. This causes a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels after a meal. In other words, fiber reduces blood sugar rises. This regulates blood sugar levels and provides some protection against type 2 diabetes. Several studies have found that eating flax and chia seeds on a daily basis can provide this protection. For example, in 2011, studies of people with type 2 diabetes discovered that consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder per day could reduce fasting blood sugar by 8 to 20%. These benefits were noticeable within 1 to 2 months. Similarly, older animal studies indicate that chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin resistance, both of which may lower the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Human studies conducted between 2010 and 2013 discovered that eating bread made with chia seeds may result in fewer blood sugar increases than eating more typical bread. Chia and flax seeds may help protect you against cancer in a variety of ways. For starters, both are high in fiber, which is a nutrient associated with a lower risk of some types of cancer. Insoluble fiber, which is found in both chia and flax seeds, may reduce the risk of developing colon or breast cancer. Both seeds include antioxidants, which assist your body eliminate free radicals. Free radicals are cell-damaging chemicals that can cause aging and diseases like cancer. However, flax seeds may have an advantage in terms of antioxidant content. This is because they contain up to 15 times more lignans, which is a cancer-fighting antioxidant, than chia seeds. As a result, flax seeds may be slightly more beneficial than chia seeds in terms of cancer prevention. Several observational studies suggest that consuming flax seeds on a daily basis can reduce the chance of acquiring certain malignancies. For example, one research revealed a link between the antioxidants in flax seeds and a decreased risk of breast cancer, particularly in postmenopausal women. Furthermore, a 2013 study involving over 6,000 women found that consuming flax seeds on a regular basis reduced the risk of developing breast cancer by up to 18%. In a recent study, lignans found in flax seeds showed promises in reducing the progression of acute myeloid leukemia. Few research have investigated the effects of chia seeds on the risk of cancer. Chia seeds may be slightly less efficient than flax seeds in cancer prevention due to their reduced antioxidant content. Chia seeds and flax seeds are both high in fiber, which can aid with appetite control and craving suppression. They do, however, contain varying amounts of soluble fiber, which is particularly beneficial in lowering hunger and managing appetite. Soluble fiber becomes sticky when mixed with water, slowing digestion and enhancing feeling of fullness. This sort of fiber has also been shown to stimulate hormones involved in hunger control, perhaps reducing appetite even further. Approximately 33% of flax fiber is soluble. In contrast, chia has only 7 to 15% soluble fiber. As a result, flax seeds may be slightly more efficient at curbing hunger and appetite than chia seeds. In one study, participants who were given a drink containing the amount of soluble fiber present in about 1 ounce or 28 grams of flax seeds reported less hunger and appetite than those who were given a controlled drink. In another study, males who ate a flaxseed containing lunch reported feeling fuller and less hungry than those who did not eat flax seeds. There was only one study on the fullness effects of chia seeds. Researchers fed subjects bread with varying levels of chia seeds. Breads with the most chia seeds decreased appetite 1.5 to 2 times faster than those with the fewest. Overall, flax and chia seeds appear to lessen hunger and appetite. However, because of their increased soluble fiber content, flax seeds may be slightly more efficient in this regard. Chia and flax seeds are both highly nutritious. Both have similar benefits for heart health, blood sugar control, and digestion. However, flax seeds appear to have a minor edge, particularly in terms of appetite reduction and the risk of some cancers. Plus, they're frequently less priced. Ultimately, the changes between the two seeds are minimal. Flax seeds or chia seeds would be an excellent addition to your diet. And that is all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.